Okay, so welcome again to our next video. Okay, our next video is more on, or is all about a for loop statement. So last video we tackled about the if statement, if else statement. So if you have more questions on that one, just comment on this video, and we will create a program on what you want to have. And also, if you have more questions, just comment. And if you have a problem that you want to convert into program, just comment then there, and we will create a program on that one. So for now, we will do for loop statement. So for looping. So we are in the next step on programming. So I assume that you already know the theory or the terminologies of for looping. There are more types of looping. So there is a for loop. There are for loop, do while loop, nested for loop, like that. So now we will do a program that will print your name 10 times. As you can see here, I will put here how to print your name 10 times. So this is the program. So for example, int x, okay, so for loop int x, no, x is equal to 1, x less than or equal to 10, okay, then x plus plus. So this one is what we call initialization. Initialization, it means the starting point. This one is the condition. If this condition is true, it will come here inside the for loop. Okay, but if this is false, it will come here in the outside the loop. Okay, so first this one, how this program read by the computer, because some students are creating a program but they don't know what the program what how computers or how computer read the program. That's why some students are running the program, but the errors is there because he cannot read from his own. So you must know how to read your program from your own first before you run. Or because if you don't know that the logic or the process, even you run 100 times, it will be an error because you cannot understand the flow. So how the program read your program? First, it will come here. Int x, it means you declare x, variable x, okay? Then first, it will come here. So line by line, it's line by line. From here, the next, from here, next is here. So the program will read first this one, initialization. So x is equal to 1. Okay, it will start to 1. So x is less than or equal to 10. Yes or true. So if it is yes, it will come here inside. And the 1 will become 2. It will come here. So x plus plus, it means 1 plus 1. Like that, 1 plus 1. So it will become 2. So you will print here console dot right line. We will put right line so that it will be next line. Okay, for example, Juan de la Cruz. Yan. So if you run this one, it will be 10 times. Very simple. If you put here 20 times. It's like looping. So from here, 1 is less than to 20. Yes, go here, go here. So 1 become 2. So come here, then again back to here. So before it's 1, so plus 1 here, so become 2 here. So 2 less than or equal to 20. Yes, so it will come here, so become 3. So it will come here. Then again, back to here. So the x will become 3. So 3 times already. 3 less than to 20 or equal to 20. True. Then the 3 will become 4. So come here. Then again, go back here. So up to 20. So now, I want to put a number. For example, I will put the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will put here x, then plus. Okay? So, as you can see, 1 will come here. Then again, the next loop, again here, become 2. So 1, 2, 3, up to 20. It's like this, see? Very simple. Okay? Very simple. Okay. Next example is how to print the, for example, prime number. So for example, like this. For example, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For example, 9, 10. So I want to create a program to get only the 2, 4, 4, 6, 8, like this, 10. So this is the even number. Okay, so how to do this one using for loop, but we will do here, or we will use here the other statement like if statement. Okay, so we will try on that one. Okay, so next is to print this one. So 1 to 10, but they will show only 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we will get the even number. So how to do this one? So how many numbers? 10. So we will put here 10. Okay. X is less than up to 10. From 1, okay, it is true here, it will come here. So 10 times of looping. 10 times like this. Okay. Then the first loop or the first run of this one, so it will come here first. X is equal to 1, x less the 1 is less than or equal to 10, true. Up, if it's come here, there's a condition like this. If x is modulo 2 is equal to 0, modulo, it means you will get the remainder. It's like 1 divide 2. If there is remainder 1, it will not print. But if remainder 0 or no remainder, you will get the number. So console that right line is equal to, we'll use the right line like this, x. Okay, so if you run this one, it will get the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, because okay, because odd numbers, even numbers, there's no remainder. If you put 1 here, there is remainder. It means there is remainder. So if you run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will get the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But if there is no remainder, it means 0 remainder. I'll stop this one. 0 remainder means you will get only the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? Very simple. Okay? So if you want more example on this one, just comments on the video.